How to fix Instagram feed working but stories keep getting stuck at 90%. Now when a video gets stuck, Instagram keeps trying to push it through a broken data connection, so forcing an offline reset cancels the loop. So start by simply turning off your internet. Go to the navigation bar, turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on airplane mode on. Then after that, go to the navigation bar and you'll see story not uploaded option. Now simply try to delete the story. Now visit your story, tap on the three vertical dots and tap on delete and confirm delete. Then turn your airplane mode off and simply switch back to your Wi-Fi connection. After that, simply close the application. Now long press on the app, tap on app info, go to the storage section, tap on storage and finally tap on clear cache. After that, head back and tap on force stop, OK, and simply close all the application from your menu. And now try reopening the Instagram and try re-uploading the story. Tap on share, tap on done, and your problems will be fixed. And as you can see, the story is being adding to story and it shows 100%. So our 90% problem is fixed. Now wait while the story is uploaded and you can see the story is finally uploaded. That's it guys. In this way you can easily solve this problem. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it useful, consider liking and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.